A special thank you to Vitalli and the team at West Coast Kia for letting me review the 2026 Kia Carnival EX in today's video. The Kia Carnival used to be known as the Kia Sedona here in North America, and in 2022 the Kia Carnival was introduced in the North American market and it did pretty well. The Kia Carnival competes with three competitors in the market: the Honda Odyssey, Toyota Sienna, and the Chrysler Pacifica. The Kia Carnival is larger in size compared to the three competitors mentioned. In late 2024, Kia updated the Kia Carnival for the 2025 year model, and it received exterior updates to the exterior, which included a new front fascia update, new grille, new headlight, which carried over to the 2026 model that I have here today. I like the 3D effect that it gives on the grille. I like these wraparound headlights. I've seen them on the Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento. Kia uses low-cost MFR LED low beam and LED daytime running lights, and positioning lights down below. We have LED fog lights. I love how there are two LED fog lights on each side, so that's good for visibility. Kia did a good job with the front end styling. I liked how the grille and wraparound headlights give SUV characteristics to the front end. Powering this 2026 Kia Carnival EX is a 3.5-liter GDI engine, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. You're looking at 19-inch alloy wheels. These rims are also available on EX Plus. Moving on to the interior, I really like the interior of the Kia Carnival. Now, when you open the door, you're greeted with a two-tone black interior. The leather used is artificial, and here is the two-tone on the door cards and on the dash. Alright, let's head inside and let's check out what the Kia Carnival has to offer for the driver and passengers. When you press mode on the steering wheel, it is going to show your selected media such as Bluetooth audio, phone projection, sounds of nature, USB music, and FM and AM radio. Kia uses the CCNC software and it is used for better graphics. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility is standard on the Kia Carnival and all of its trims. The navigation is very similar to the Kia EV9, Kia Telluride, and Kia Forte I reviewed. So I'm typing in Coquitlam Center and it is giving me routes to get there. The navigation showed 20 results, and as you can see, it showed 20 results of different stores in the mall and how to get there. I also liked how the GPS was intuitive. Here is the backup camera in the Kia Carnival with your parking guidelines. Parking distance warning is standard across all trim levels. Another neat feature, if you press this button, it'll show the backup camera. Here is the HVAC controls with your USB connection and your gear selector, your cup holders, your parking brake and brake hold, different modes such as heated steering wheel and parking sensors. Here are the different driving modes such as Sport, Smart, Eco, Normal. Here is the center console in the Kia Carnival. And here is the glove compartment with plenty of storage space. Moving on to the second row of the Kia Carnival EX. The second row has the same artificial leather as it did up front, and you're going to notice the two-way option to close the sliding door is by that power button or by that handle. Second row sunshades for second row passengers on those sunny days or those days where you want it up. Rear window does roll down for second row passengers, and I have plenty of legroom behind my driving position. USB connections, and cup holders for second row passengers, and you can control the passenger seat by that button in the back row, and a charging port and a map pocket. I like the simplicity of the rear end design on the Kia Carnival. You have LED taillights and LED reverse lights. You have the Kia and Carnival badging, and Kia did a really good job with the rear end styling of the Kia Carnival. Moving on to the cargo, you can actually open the trunk two ways, by the fob or by the button underneath the trunk handle. Let's check out what the cargo has to offer. Now with third row down, you have plenty of space. There are also cubbies and your power outlet and charging port. With third row up, there is plenty of cargo space for your Costco runs or simply your camping gear. To close the trunk, simply press the button and it'll close automatically for you. Or you could also use the key fob. To enter third row, press on that lever and push forward, and it's simply easy to get in. I have plenty of legroom behind the passenger second row seat. You do have cup holders in the cubby and a charging port. Third row sunshades for the third row passengers on those sunny days. To get out of the third row, simply pull on the strap and push the seat, and you're ready to get out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.